What is up, guys? Today we're doing a different type of video. We're doing an engine bay cleaning on the S13 and the 350Z. We're gonna try the same technique on two different cars, two different materials. The 350Z is more plastic covering, and the S13 has a KA24, so it's a metal or aluminum valve cover. So let's see how it turns out. Let's get it. So first, we're gonna isolate the power. We're gonna disconnect the battery. It's just to be safe. We're definitely not hosing this down. We're just squirting it with water, but just to be safe. Okay, we totally understand the 350 looks like a barn find, and that's because we redid the old DE headlights, and that sprays all over that. We kind of forgot to cover it, but it makes it even better for this video, so we left it in. That should be popping up right over here, so check it out. So the covers, like the brake fluid cover and the battery cover, they got deep pits in them. So we're gonna spray it down with the spray first. This is just soap and water. And then we're just gonna try to brush it and then use the microfiber. So around the battery, we're just gonna spray on the microfiber and clean around because we definitely do not want water in there. Okay, so we just got done. It definitely looks better. It looks actually really good. But we definitely could have improved around areas that were hard to get. We didn't spend that much time on it because it is about to rain, it looks like. And we still got the S13 to do. It definitely looks better though. I know I'm gonna see comments about like, oh, you just taught us how to use a microfiber and washing it real quick. But this does look better than it did, so we're happy with it. We did stay away from all the connectors and the batteries. We didn't want to get any water in that. And then definitely the brush helped for getting in there. We didn't clean it that well, but it worked for that. We could have done it longer, obviously. And then we used this with the microfiber. It's just a clip puller, and then it gets really good around there. We got done with the 350Z. Now we're gonna move to the S13. There's a lot of exposed parts in this car because it was swapped. So you can see like the fuse box over there is broken, like the cover. So we're gonna be really cautious while doing this car. We do not wanna mess it up. So more than anything, we're gonna wipe it down less because we don't wanna get water in anything. So let's get to it. Definitely want to stay away from getting water in your plugs or like your air filter or anything with oil or electrical, obviously. So just take your time and do it right. Okay, now we're going to do the intake manifold. We're going to try it with this brush. I guess we'll see if there's any difference. And I didn't get the overspray on that. I know I gotta do a better job cleaning this, but I would have to likely take out the engine to get it even better because the previous owners that swapped it and painted it, they didn't do too good of a job. Like this is probably regular paint, not that heat paint that would like resist all the heat from the motor. But that's down the line. This motor is a good running motor, so we're just gonna keep it for now. This is working pretty well, but it's a lot of overspray that catches it. It's pretty coarse, so it's not like smooth like this, where it's easy to just wipe down and clean. So honestly, this car is not that dirty. It's more dust and overspray that makes it look dirty. I thought it would have been a better example, but I guess it's really not. Okay, so we got done doing the S13 too. Honestly, this video made me realize how much overspray there was. And it was a lot of dust because we haven't been driving this car. But it does look way better. It's more of a small detail, more of something that you're gonna do, you know, every couple months, not like a true real car detail where you're gonna pop it open and show everyone. It just looks presentable now. So that was our disclaimer. It's not a how-to video. There's way better ways to do this. Like Chris Fix did really good. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Our next video will be a driving video with the S14 and doing more work to the 350Z. So see you guys then.